Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So we are here today to know about SSC GD Constables Recruitment 2021, which is recently released by Government of India. So this recruitment is in Central Armed Police Forces, NIA SSF and Rifleman in Assam Rifles Examination 2021. And the total vacancies for this post are 25,000 plus, and the important dates are: online application starts on 17th July 2021 and closing date is 31st August 2021 up to 11:30 p.m. and the schedule of computer based examination Tier 1 is to be informed later, which is not given in the official notification. And the posts are constables in general duty. And regarding application fee, for general or OBC candidates it's 100 rupees, and for women, SC, ST, OBC, ex-servicemen had no application fees. And coming to the age limit, minimum 18 years and maximum 23 years as on 1st August 2021. Candidates should not have been born earlier than 2nd August 1998 and later than 1st August 2003. Reservations are applicable for SC, ST, OBC, ex-servicemen as per the government rules. And educational qualifications as on 1st August 2021, minimum qualification is 10th class examination from a recognized board or university. Incentive to NCC certificate holders. For NCC C certificate, it's 5% of maximum marks of the examination, and for NCC B certificate, it's 3% of maximum marks of the examination, and for NCC A certificate, it's 2% of maximum marks of the examination. And going to the selection procedure, it's a computer based examination of 100 marks, and the time duration of examination is 90 minutes. So we have to write 100 marks exam in 90 minutes, and the scheme of examination will be with 4 parts and 4 subjects. And the first part is part A, general intelligence and reasoning, with 25 questions and a maximum marks of 25. And part B, general knowledge and general awareness, and the number of questions will be 25 with the maximum marks 25. Part C is elementary mathematics, and the number of questions is 25 with the maximum marks 25. Followed by part D, English or Hindi, with 25 questions with the maximum marks of 25. And the negative marking will be 0.25 marks for each wrong answer. And we will be giving the syllabus for all the subjects in our next video. So after qualifying in computer based examination, we will be having 4 steps, that is physical efficiency test, physical standard test, medical examination and document verification. So in the first test, physical efficiency test, candidates will have to face race within the time limit. For male, 5 kilometers in 24 minutes, for female 1.6 kilometers in 8.5 minutes. And in physical standard test PST, for male the height is 170 centimeters, and for female the minimum height is 157 centimeters. Relaxations are applicable, and for male, chest unexpanded 80 centimeters, minimum expansion will be 5 centimeters, and weight will be based on height and age. And the medical examination will be done as per the criteria. And how to apply? Applications must be submitted in online mode at official website, and the website is given here and also in the description box. And required document to be uploaded: a passport size photograph in JPEG format with 20 KB to 50 KB limit. And here the main note point is photograph should not be more than 3 months old from the date of notification, and the date should be printed on your photograph clearly. Without such date on photograph, application will be rejected. And thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we will explain the syllabus for the examination for all the subjects, and we will suggest some books also. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below. Stay safe, stay home.